Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some inexpensive mirrors using some simple dollar store items. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some mirrors. You can paint the chargers any way you want. I personally love the new DecoArt Pouring Medium because it allows you to get lots of different colors on a small surface. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.